I'm in quarantine. I can't make money. What do I do?
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the
What's good, D_gang? Your boy here, Darling Influence, and today back at it with another YouTube banger. And in this video, I will be showing you 2 free websites to make money online / how to make money online. If you want to make money online, there are 2 things which you have to do. First being, check out this playlist which I made just for you, and the second being, do this right now. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are the first to be notified. So guys, as you saw in the title, this video is 2 free websites to make active income online. As you can see, active, which means the money which we are going to be making in this video is going to be active, so you're going to work for this money. But I'm going to show you something which you can do to make this money without actually working. So it is still going to remain active, but you won't have to work for this money. All you got to do is this. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get into this video. So the first website which we are going to use to make active money online is Upwork.com. This is Upwork.com, and if you watched one of my videos, you know that I have mentioned this website in one of my videos, which is top 10 websites to make money online. So if you haven't watched that, just go watch that. But this website I have mentioned. So what is Upwork.com? Upwork.com is a website which connects freelancers like you and I with businesses so that you can fulfill a business's services. And once you do that, once the business pays you $50, for example, Upwork is going to take a commission of that, maybe take $5 and give you $45 because they were the one to give you the platform for you and the business to connect together. This is a website whereby you have to have skills in order to get approved by Upwork.com. So if you have any skills, guys, just make sure to list all of your skills, guys, on there. For example, you know how to edit videos, you know how to edit photos, you know how to do this, do that. Just go on Upwork.com and list as many skills which you have so that you can get approved, and put in your description, just put there a lot of information about yourself. Upwork likes to approve people who put more information about themselves and more skills about themselves. And if you have any job experiences, just put them where you have worked and how long, those kind of stuff, so that Upwork can actually get you approved. Because guys, if you actually get approved by Upwork, there's a lot of money, but sad part is that you have to work for it. But with what I'm going to show you, you won't have to work for the money. So before I tell you how you can make money without actually doing any services on Upwork or the website which I will be giving you right now, I have to tell you about website number 1 so that I can explain that method. But before I tell you, I want to tell you guys, if you want to make money, there's 2 things you have to do. First being, do this right now, and after you've done that, check out this playlist, and after you've done those, then you can make money. So number 1 is Fiverr. I know most of y'all have heard of Fiverr, but in this video I will be showing you a hack, guys, of how to make money online with Fiverr and Upwork without actually doing any work. So stick around for the video. So D_gang, which is you, is probably thinking,
Darling Influencer, what do you mean we'll make money without actually working?
So I mean that you won't actually have to work. As you know, Fiverr is almost the same as Upwork, so the same characteristics which Upwork has, Fiverr has those same characteristics. So how will you make money without working on Fiverr and Upwork? So what is going to happen is that you're going to go on Fiverr. Once you're approved, you can go and put a proposal to a business. For example, if it's a video editing and the business wants you to edit a video and they will pay you $100 for you to edit that video, what you're going to do is that you're going to sign up for the proposal, and once the business wants you to do that, they're gonna pay you, and you will go back to Fiverr.com. Once you get to Fiverr.com, look for the same characteristics which the business is looking for in his videos. So you're going to go on Fiverr, look for someone who edits videos, and once you get that someone who edits videos, tell them exactly what the business told you to do. But here's the catch: you will list this on Fiverr for $25. So whoever edits that video gets $25, and once they edit that video, you pay them $25, take the video, give it to the business on Upwork, and they will pay you $100. How much is that? $75 profit. Here's the catch: how much is Upwork going to take? Upwork is going to take a minimum. Upwork is going to take around $10. $65. So you will be left with $65. So when you're left with $65, that's great money to make without actually doing anything. You just make money just by being smart. So that's one of the ways you can actually make money without working. So guys, those are the 2 free websites and how you can make money without actually working. I know this video is short. Just make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload part 2, which is going to be on the channel on Friday, you are the first to be notified. So don't forget to subscribe and like, turn on your post notifications, share this video, and don't forget, I'm Darling Influencer, you are D_gang, Darling Influencer. I'm out.